Hello learners, I am Akash. I completed my BTech from IIT Rourkela in the year 2020. Currently I am a mathematics teacher. Now let's see how to solve this given question. Here we have to evaluate integral dx by 4 cos x plus 3 sin x. Okay, I have a little cold, so I'll keep doing this throughout the video and I might clean my nose also. So please tolerate that. Now let's get started. Integral dx by 4 cos x plus 3 sin x. Now see, whenever in the denominator we have a combination like this, sine and cos and sine, whatever, our general method is we'll put t as tan x by 2 and then sin x will be 2t by 1 plus t square and cos x will be 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. That's the general method. How it happens, I just want to explain a little. You can listen, I'll tell you what to write in exam in case if you feel it's difficult. I'm taking the given integral as I. Next, put t is equal to tan x by 2. This is one of the standard ways. I expect you to remember this. Now dt will be nothing but secant square x by 2 into half dx. Now why? Just differentiate both sides. So dt will be, what is derivative of tan x? Derivative of tan x is secant square x. So derivative of tan x by 2 is secant square x by 2, but in place of x I have x by 2. Again derivative of x by 2 is half dx. Okay, so that's why I get into half dx. Right? In case if you want to understand this, I'll tell you what to write also in case if you feel it's difficult. Now send this 2 here. So 2 dt is equal to, what is secant square x by 2? Secant square x by 2 can be written as 1 plus tan square x by 2 because there's an identity in trigonometry. It states that secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So secant square theta will be 1 plus tan square theta. So in place of secant square theta, I can write 1 plus tan square theta. So in place of secant square x by 2, I can write 1 plus tan square x by 2. Fine. Now listen carefully. What is our t? T is tan x by 2. So tan square x by 2 will be t square. Just square here. T square is equal to tan square x by 2. So in place of tan square x by 2, I'll get t square. In place of tan square x by 2, I'll get t square. Now send the 1 plus t square to the LHS. So what I get is 2 dt by 1 plus t square is dx. Fine. Okay. Now next I expect you to remember this. Sin x is 2t by 1 plus t square, cos x is 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. So this comes from trigonometry. I don't want to explain that. If you are interested, you can just tell in the comments. I'll try to help you out there. Okay. In case if you feel these steps are too lengthy, I think in the exam if you write this much also is sufficient. This step and this step. This is for your explanation so that you won't forget. Sometimes you might forget, like, okay, if I'll put a is equal to tan x by 2, is it 2 dt by 1 plus t square or 2 dt by 1 minus t square? Is it sin t is this or cos t is this? So you might get confused. That's why I've explained how it comes. In the exam, if you write just these two steps which I put tick mark, that should also be sufficient. Put t is equal to tan x by 2 and this step, this step also, I'm sorry. This step is also important. 2 dt by 1 plus t square is equal to d. These three steps if you write, that should be sufficient. You will get full marks. No one will deduct marks for not writing this. This is for your explanation in between three steps I have given. Now let's do all the substitutions in this. Now you see, let me take some other color. Dx, in place of dx I would get this 2 dt by 1 plus t square. In the next slide you will see what will I get in place of cos x, this 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square, and in place of sin x I'd be getting this 2t by 1 plus t square. Okay. Now if I'll put all that, so my I will be integral 2 dt by 1 plus t square by 4 into 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square plus 3. I mentioned, right, in place of cos x I'll get 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. In place of sin x I'll get 2t by 1 plus t square, and in place of dt I got 2 dt by 1 plus t square. Right. So now just take LCM. In the denominator they have common denominator like 1 plus t square, 1 plus t square. So 4 into 1 minus t square plus 3 into 2t whole divided by 1 plus t square. Now 1 plus t square, 1 plus t square you can cancel because both are denominators. Okay. Now so 2 dt by 4 minus 4t square plus 60. Okay. 4 minus 4t square plus 60. Write it like this, like minus 4t square, write it in the beginning, plus 60 plus 4, like t square first then t then constant. Okay, now to integrate this, now we cannot integrate this, I mean directly, we have to convert the denominator into perfect squares. Now how to do that? Let's get started. This is what my denominator is, minus 4t square plus 6t plus 4. Now what to do? First, take the minus common, so I get minus of 4t square minus 6t plus 4. Here, since I took minus common, here minus 4t square become plus positive 4t square, positive 4t square, and minus 6t minus 4. I hope this step is clear. Next, I want to make the coefficient of t square as 1. Now how I am going to do that is, see, beside t square there is 4. I do not want anything to be there, I mean just 1 should be there. So take 4 common, So if I'll take 4 common, I'd get 4 into t square is there. Since there is no 4 here, so by 4 will come 65, 60 by 4. Here also 4 is there, 4 is taken out, so minus 1 will remain. I hope this step is also clear. Now, I want to write it in the form of, like, this center term is there. I want to write it of the form 2 into a into b. That means I want to write it like 2 into something into something. Okay, 2 into t into something. So I can write it as 2 into t into 3 by 4. This 6 I can write it as, 2 into 3 cross 2 into 3. So that 2 I wrote it in the beginning, and here I have 3 by 4, because 3 is left out, right? Once 2 is out, so 3 by 4. Okay, I hope this step is also clear. Now, this is of the form, this is like something like a square minus 2ab. To complete the square, I need b square, so plus b square minus b square. So this will become a minus b whole square. Now, if you'll observe, here in place of a I have t, here in place of b I have 2ab, right? So 2 into 2 into 3 by 2 into t into 3 by 4. So in place of b I have 3 by 4. What do I have? 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 whole square I am going to add and subtract. So plus 3 by 4 whole square minus 3 by 4 whole square minus 1. Okay. Now, these first 3 terms, this is of the form a square minus 2ab plus b square. That means a minus b whole square. That means t minus 3 by 4 whole square. Okay, t minus 3 by 4 whole square. Next, so minus 9, 3 by 4 whole square is 3 square. That means 9 by 4 square is 16. So 9 by 16. Now just take LCM here. Now see, here some of you may make mistake in taking LCM. How to take LCM? See, put a plus in between. Put a plus. These two have minus 9 by 16 and minus 1. So that minus I wrote inside the bracket. If I'll take LCM, I get minus 9. The 16 would go here. 16 into 1 cross 16 into 1. So 16 ones are 16. So minus 9 minus 16 by 16. I put a plus outside, because otherwise sometimes you might just do this and do 9 minus 16. That is wrong. Okay, this minus sign also should be considered. Okay, I hope things are clear. Okay, fine. In case if you are not able to understand this step, now this you could do it in another way also. What is that is, you can take minus common. This term has minus and this term has minus. If you will take minus common, then I get minus 9 by 16 plus 1. So again minus of 9 plus 16 by 16. So minus 25 by 16. Again this also will be minus 9 minus 16 is minus 25 by 16. That's what you will see in the next step. Minus 25 by 16. 25 by 16, 25 is 5 square and 16 is 4 square. So I can write 25 by 16 as 5 by 4 whole square. I can write it as 5 by 4 whole square. So now we can start our integration. Okay, if you see, basically the denominator I wrote, this denominator, you see in the I have this denominator can be written as this. Okay, this. Now my I is going to be integral 2 dt by, in place of this I wrote, right, minus 4 into t minus 3 by 4 whole square minus 5 by 4 whole square. That I am going to write. Okay, so this is my I. So in place of this I just put what we got, minus 4 into t minus 3 by 4 whole square minus 5 by 4 whole square. because I told you that in place of denominator we can this denominator we wrote it like this. So in place of this I wrote -4 into this. I hope things are clear. Fine. Before integrating this, let's take a short break. I'll tell you a story. It is about satisfaction. One time there was a king, okay, and okay, let me so that your focus will be on me. One time there was a king and he was going through his kingdom, and he felt that he asked his minister, like, why am I not satisfied? నా ఎంతో ఉన్నాయి. I have so much. I have wealth, I have kingdom, నా దగ్గర రాజ్యం ఉంది, I have queens, I have many things, but still నాకు ఆ సాటిస్ఫాక్షన్ అన్నది దొరకట్లేదు. ఐఎమ్ నాట్ హ్యాపీ అలా అని చెప్పారు. అలానే కింగ్ నడుస్తూ వెళ్తే ఒక బ్రాహ్మణుడిని చూశారనమాట. హీ సా ఎ బ్రాహ్మణ అండ్ ఈ సా దట్ ద బ్రాహ్మణ వాజ్ వెరీ పీస్ఫుల్, సాటిస్ఫైడ్. ఆయన పని ఆయన చేసుకుంటున్నారు, పూజా పాఠం చక్క వేదాలను చదువుకుంటున్నారు. హీ వాజ్ రీడింగ్ స్క్రిప్చర్స్, రీడింగ్ వేదాస్. హీ వాజ్ హ్యాపీ, సాటిస్ఫైడ్. నౌ the king asked the minister, how is this guy satisfied? How is this brahmana satisfied? Then the king told, then the minister told the king, my dear king, that brahmana, a brahmanudu 99 club member kaadu. 99th club. There is a club known as 99th club. Danik member kaadu. King asked, what is this 99th club? Then the minister told, I will show you practically. What did the minister do is, ఆ బ్రాహ్మణుడి యొక్క ఇంటికి వెనకాల, behind the house of the brahmana, he kept a bag of 99 gold coins. A bag of 99 gold coins. Then the brahmana felt happy. Okay, నాకు దొరికాయి, నాకు 99 gold coins దొరికాయి. కొంచెం హ్యాపీగా ఫీల్ అయ్యాడు. ఇంటికి వచ్చి కౌంటింగ్. ఎప్పుడన్నా ఏదైనా దొరికితే మనం ఏం చేస్తాం ముందు? ఆఫ్టర్ వి గెట్ సంథింగ్, ఫస్ట్ కౌంట్. And then the brahmana started counting. 1, 2, 3, 4 కౌంట్ చేస్తుంటే 99 వచ్చాయి. తప్పు కౌంటింగ్ అనుకొని మళ్ళీసారి కౌంట్ చేశాడు. 1, 2, 3 he counted again 99. Then the brahmana felt the person who must have wanted to who wanted to give me this back, నాకు ఎవరైతే ఇది ఇవ్వాలనుకున్నారు, that person planned for 100 gold coins, but I think he left out 1 gold coin. అంటే 99 మీద సాటిస్ఫైడ్ లేడు ఈ బ్రాహ్మణ. I should get 1 more gold coin. Now this brahmana పీస్ఫుల్గా ఉండేవాడు. ఇప్పుడు ఒకరి దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళి పని అడిగారు అనమాట. నాకు ఒక బంగారు నాణం కావాలి, ఐ వాంట్ అ గోల్డ్ కాయిన్, హౌ మచ్ షుడ్ ఐ వర్క్? ఎందుకంటే చెప్పుకోవచ్చు కదా, ఐ హ్యావ్ 100 gold coins అని. సో దిస్ పర్సన్, అవర్ బ్రాహ్మణ, this one person told that, okay, if you will lift a load from this place to this place, అంటే కొంచెం సామాన్ ఎత్తి అక్కడ పెట్టాలి, రోజుకి 8 గంటలు పని చేయి, రోజుకి 6 గంటలు పని చేయి, నేను నీకు సంథింగ్ అలా, నేను నీకు ఒక బంగారు నాణం ఇస్తాను 1 month తర్వాత. సో ఈ బ్రాహ్మణుడు పొద్దున్న 6 గంటలు పనిచేశాడు, ఇటు నుంచి అటు నుంచి ఇటు వేస్తూ వెళ్ళాడు. 1 month తర్వాత ఒక గోల్డ్ కాయిన్ దొరికింది పని చేశాక. ఆ గోల్డ్ కాయిన్ తీసుకెళ్ళి బ్యాగ్లో వేసాడు. బ్యాగ్లో వెళ్ళేసి కౌంటింగ్ మొదలు పెట్టాడు. 1, 2, 3, 4 ఈసారి కౌంటింగ్ చేస్తే 99 అయింది. షాక్ అయిపోయాడు బ్రాహ్మణ. ఏంటి, నేను 100, I was planning to get 100, but I added a coin, but I'm getting 98. Again he counted, he got 98. Then he asked his wife, తన భార్యను అడిగాడు, ఏంటి ఇలా తక్కువనే అంటే, అది వాళ్ళ వైఫ్ కొంచెం తడపడుతూ, అది ఏమైందంటే, నేను బట్టలు కొనుక్కున్నాం, ఇంకా we purchased some clothes and some other things, we used 2 gold coins like that. Brahmana was like, అబ్బా, ఇంకొక 2 gold coins ఉంటాయి. If I had just 2 more gold coins, I would have felt, I could say that I am the owner of 100 gold coins. Then he went to the same person who gave him work. అతని దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళి, నాకు 2 బంగారు నాణాలు కావాలి, ఏం చేయాలి? సేమ్, నువ్వు ముందు 6 గంటలు పని చేసావు, ఇప్పుడు 12 గంటలు పని చేయి. సో ఇన్ దిస్ వే ద బ్రాహ్మణాస్ లైఫ్, అతను పని చేస్తూనే ఉన్నాడు, ఎంతో పీస్ఫుల్గా ఉండే అతను, పనిలో పడి మొత్తం ఇంకా 2 gold coins కోసం అలా అని చూసారా. సో బేసికలీ అతనికి ఆ 99 gold coins దొరికినప్పుడు, when he got the bag of 99 gold coins, he was not satisfied. ఇప్పుడు కింగ్కి చూపెట్టాడు, అంటే మినిస్టర్ తెచ్చి కింగ్కి చూపెట్టాడు. ఇప్పుడు చూడండి జహాపన అతని యొక్క ఇది. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద లెసన్ ఇస్, be satisfied with what you have. మరీ అన్ఎక్స్పెక్టెడ్గా ఆశ పడి 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 కృషి చేసి కృషిలోనే ఉండిపోతాం. దెన్ వెన్ విల్ యూ ఎంజాయ్ లైఫ్? వెన్ విల్ యూ బీ సాటిస్ఫైడ్? వెన్ విల్ యూ రిలాక్స్? వెన్ విల్ యూ బీ పీస్ఫుల్? ఎప్పుడు కాస్త జీవితాన్ని అనుభవిస్తారు మీరు. ఓకే, ఇట్స్ మై సిన్సియర్ రిక్వెస్ట్. సో ప్లీజ్, ఇట్ డజంట్ మీన్ అంటే ఇంకా చదువు సంధ్య పక్కన నో, యూ హ్యావ్ టు డూ యువర్ డ్యూటీ. హౌ మచ్ ఇస్ పాసిబుల్ స్టడీ. డోంట్ పుట్ టూ మచ్ స్ట్రెస్ ఆన్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్. రోజుకి 16 గంటలు చదవడం. నో, స్టడీ లైక్ go to college and revise, do some work, ఆ తర్వాత sleep nicely, have good food, do some exercise, have everything, have a balanced life so that you can enjoy life and at the same time study also. Be peaceful. Okay, so what I'm trying to tell is don't take too much. Be satisfied with what you're getting. If you're getting 90 marks, it's okay, you can try for better marks, but understand that this is what I could be. If you're getting 70 marks, even after putting a lot of effort, then be satisfied. Okay, I'm getting 70 out of 100. It is fine. I'll try to improve, but satisfaction undali. Okay, I'm sorry, I went a bit. Nenu story 2 to 3 minutes step down kunna. I think I went a bit long. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Chalo, let's come back to the question. Fine. Now, this is what we had to integrate. Fine. Now, these two are constants, 2 and minus 4. So 2 by minus 4, bring it outside. dt by t minus 3 by 4 whole square minus 5 by 4 whole square. Fine. Now, listen carefully. This is of the form integral dx by x square minus a square. This is of the form integral dx by x square minus a square. So, the formula is 1 by 2a log mod x minus a by x plus c. So, ikkada chusarante, this is my x, this is my a. So my x is t minus 3 by 4. Formula ante 1 by 2a. So 1 by 2a anta 5 by 4. So 1 by 2 into 5 by 4 log mod x minus a ante t minus 3 by 4 minus 5 by 4 by x plus a ante t minus 3 by 4 plus 5 by 4. Okay, so this is what I would get. Fine. Now if you'll see here, 2 1s are, 2 2s are, and this 2 and this 2. Don't cancel it, I'm just telling. So 4 will go away. Okay? Don't cancel in exam. Fine. Now, so minus 1 by 5, only 5 will remain. Minus 1 by 5. Take LCM of these two. Like again what I did is plus I put in between minus 3 minus 5. Here what you could do is same. In place of this, you could also write minus of 3 by 4 plus 5 by 4. You'll get same 8. Same answer. Here you'll get minus 3 minus 5 is minus 8 by 4. And here I'd get minus 3 plus 5 is 5 minus 3, 2 plus 2 by. Now, minus 3 minus 5 is minus 8 by 4. Ante minus 2 also. So, me the numerator lo t minus 2. I'd get t minus 2. By here I'd get 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 by 4. 1 by 2. So, minus 1 by 5 log mod t minus 2 by t plus 1 by 2 plus c. Now, take LCM in the denominator. So, 2 will go here. 2 multiplied cross. So, 2 into t plus 1. So, fine. This 2 will go to the numerator. Okay. This 2 will go to the numerator. So, what I'd get is 2 into t minus 2 by t plus 4. Log lo ne undanta. Fine. Everything is in log now. So, log mod 2t minus 4 by 2t plus 1. Minus is there. Now, this minus 1 by 5, I am writing it as 1 by 5 into minus log mod 2t minus 4 by 2t plus 1. Okay. Now, next. There is a property in logarithms which states that minus log of a by b is nothing but log of b by a. That means minus sign, minus log 2t minus 4 by 2t plus 1 is ulta. Log mod 2t plus 1 by 2t minus 4. Okay. Fine. Now the last step. What is t? T is tan x by 2. If you guys remember in the beginning we put. So t is tan x by 2. So 1 by 5 log mod 2 tan x by 2 plus 1 by 2 tan x by 2 minus 4. Fine. So thank you very much for staying with me up till now. I'm sorry if I bored you with the story, but I felt it is needed that we should be satisfied with what we are getting. We should not have unrealistic expectations. ఏదో పెద్దగా ఆలోచించుకొని మనల్ని మనమే ఫ్రస్ట్రేట్ చేసుకోవడం కన్నా have reasonable expectations and put in effort. It is okay if you get, fine, and it is okay if you get, and in case if you don't get, be satisfied with whatever you are getting. ఎంత దొరికిందో దాంట్లో తృప్తిగా ఉందాం. Fine. So thank you. In case you like this video, please hit the like button. It would encourage me to make many more of such videos. And if this is your first time coming across to my channel, please do subscribe to it. Thank you.